Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Recently I shared this reel on Instagram and so many of you guys requested the full recipe. So in this week's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make the most luxurious chocolate cake that you've ever had. So let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new content. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to mix together some self-raising flour, some sugar, cocoa powder, salt and baking powder. The quantities are listed in the description box down below. Give this a good whisk to ensure that all of the ingredients are thoroughly incorporated. Next, we're going to crack and add in 2 eggs. Now to add in the liquids. Firstly, I'm going to add in some buttermilk. Today I'm using homemade buttermilk, but you can use store-bought if you wish. We're also going to add in some oil as well as some lukewarm or hot water. Give the cake batter a good whisk to get rid of any lumps. I've already oiled my cake tin, and as you can see I've also sprinkled on some cocoa powder. So we're going to very carefully pour the batter into the cake tin. Now we can place the tin in a preheated oven. Whilst the cake is baking, I would really advise that you make this super delicious creamy chocolate icing. This frosting is super simple to make. All you need to do is combine some icing sugar, some cream cheese, cocoa powder and softened butter. If you want, you can also add in a splash of milk. However, this really depends on how creamy your butter and your cream cheese are. You can whisk this by hand, however, I would really recommend that you use an electric hand mixer. Our cake is out of the oven, it's cooled down, I've sliced it in half and I'm going to add in some of this cream. I'm also going to decorate the outside of the cake, as in the top of it, using this cream. If you have some extra leftovers, you can also add it on the sides. You can either refrigerate this or eat this straight away. So here you are guys, here is the end result. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comment section down below what you want to see next time. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!